so tired of this. Bakit naman ganun? I'm so tired of Dad failing us. Of Tita Ronnie twisting everything. Of this family's mess. Ano bang meron?
Amber,
At yung ate mo, hindi ko na alam kung paano ko siya titignan. Part of me hates her because of all the lies. But another part of me is nagigilty tsaka naaawa sa kanya. Siya na nga tong sinisisi sa lahat. Siya pa tong tinutulak palayo. It's just so unfair and so confusing, Tristan. Everything just feels shaky, shady. I just want something solid. Something strong to hold on to. Some peace, kahit konti.
eto. Dito ka muna kumapit. May mga tao ka pa rin pwedeng sandalan. Kapitan.
Thank you.